Velosolutions Pump Tracks are both playgrounds and training facilities for bikers, skateboarders, or scooter riders of all skill levels. Asphalted tracks are hotspots for all kinds of riders who seek a fun and action-filled sports experience. Velosolutions Pump Tracks are highly popular destinations that become a hive of community activity. Riders enjoy practicing the basic skills of carrying momentum, improving balance, and building speed by using their arms and legs to pump their bike/board/scooter around the track. As riders improve their skills, the tracks are designed to provide the option for more challenges with increased speed and skill, without needing to change the construction. A feature that a 5-year-old can roll through can be used as a gap jump for a professional. Velosolutions is first to create both concrete and asphalt pump tracks, but ever since we have been the best to do so. Our unique savoir-faire has resulted in world-class pump tracks in cities across the globe. Each pump track is unique and comes with the highest standard of service quality. Look out for our famous red lines on our pump tracks. If you're riding the red line, you'll be having the official Velosolutions experience.